Alright, this is 2.7 Converting Metric Units. So we are on page 90 in your book. So if you guys would go to page 90 with me and look at these. I think you guys have been, at least I know the 6th grade did. They did some of these in science, so hopefully you guys have done that. Meter is the metric unit, a metric unit for length. Okay, gram is a metric unit for mass, and liter is a metric unit for capacity. So one thing I want you to do is I want you to write, I know there isn't a key vocabulary box, but when I do these I don't have my the metric units memorized very well because I don't use them. So what I do is I write, and this is the same chart that you guys have, meter, liter, and gram. I put those in the middle and I work my way across. This is deci, this is centi, and this is milla, and you just put these in at millimeter, milliliter, milligram, centimeter, centiliter, centigram, deciliter, decimeter, decigram. And then we work our way up and we go to deca, and then we go to hecto, it's supposed to be an H, and then we go to kilo. Okay, same thing over here. Kiloliter, kilometer, kilogram, hectometer, hectoliter, hectogram, decameter, decaliter, decagram. Now, this order, this is something that needs to be memorized right here for your tests. This is the order that you need to convert metric units from one unit to another. So let's go to the first slide and we'll see how it's done. Example number 1. In the 4x800 meter relay race, 4 teammates each run 800 meters. The total length of the race is 3,200 meters. How many kilometers long is the race? So basically what they're asking is to change 3,200 meters to kilometers. Okay, so we have those. I wish I didn't have to write these every time. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, and milla. Okay, so you find the one you know, which is meters, which is right here, and you count till you get to kilo. 1, 2, 3. And since we went to the left 3 places, we just simply move the decimal on this number 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So it would be 3.2 kilometers. So we'll see what they do. They're going to do the same thing. Notice they moved it 3 places. So we move it 3 places to the left, and it's 3.2. It's just that's as easy it is. So you write in order, you count, and you move the decimal. So 3.2 kilometers long. So let's check this out. We're going grams to milligrams, and again, let me go over here and write meter, liter, gram. This is deci, cent, milla, deca, hecto, and kilo. Oh, sorry. I don't know why it's doing that. Kilo. Doesn't like me tonight. Okay, so I know the grams, so I start where grams is right here. That's the G. And I go till I get to milligrams. 1, 2, I go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So 15, I move the decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3, which would be 15,000, which makes sense because I'm going from a bigger measurement to a smaller one. And let's do milliliters, milla now, which is right here, to liters is 1, 2, 3 to the left, so I'm right here and I go 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be 0.59, and I should put a 0 in front of it. So let's see if we 15,000 milligrams divide, and they're talking about dividing, and the best way is to move those decimals, so it's 0.59. So guided practice. Again, I'm getting good at writing these, so let me write meter, liter, gram, deci, centa, milla, over here is deca, hecto, hecto, and kilo. Okay, so I'm going from meters that I know to kilometers. 1, 2, 3 to the right. So I just move the decimal 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 6.8. Let's see if we agree. Yep. Okay, meters to millimeters. So meters is right here. So milli, I go 1, 2, 3 to the left. 54, the decimal's on the end, so you basically just add 3 zeros. So it would be 54,000. Centimeters to meters. Do this on the bottom. Centimeters is here. Meters is 1, 2 places to the right. So I go 1, 2, and it would be 8.3. Millimeters to centimeters, and if you remember, milli was right here, and centimeter, centi was right here. So milli to centi is 1 place to the left. So that would be 11.5 centimeters. Okay, kiloliters to liters. Let me write them again. Meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, milli. I'm memorizing these really well by writing this. Deca, hecto, and kilo. So kiloliters to liters. So I'm right here, kiloliters. I go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3 would be add 1 0. 9,250. That's it. Grams to kilograms. Grams is right here. So 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left would be 0.1. Done. Okay. Copy and complete the sentence using greater than, less than, or equals. Now, what we need to do is get these to have the same measurements so we can compare those. So if you look at these, to compare these, one thing to do is I can either make these the meters centimeters or the centimeters meters. So to change those, it's 400 every meter, and this one's a little bit easier for me. Every meter, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So you would just take that times 100, 400. So that would be less than. And I wrote right on top of it. Okay. Kilograms to grams. Let's just take and convert, if we liter grams, that would be deci, centi, milli, deca, hecto, and kilo. Okay, let's change this one to grams. So to change it to grams, I'd go from kilo to grams, 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 0.2 would be 1, 2, 3. So that would be the same as 200 grams. 200 grams is greater than 184 grams. And that's just the way I'm going to do it. They may do it differently. So they're converting kilograms to grams just like I did. They multiplied it, moving the decimal, I multiply it, and it's greater than. So the guided practice, copy and complete. Number 7, kiloliters and 14. So let's write again. I'm going to get good at writing these. Meter, liter, gram, deci, centa, milli. Over here is deca, hecto, and kilo. So let's change kiloliters to liters. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So 1.4, 1, 2, 3 would be 1,400. Those are equal. See if we agree. Yep. Number 8, grams to milligrams. So here's grams right here. To milligrams, 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 1.5, 1, 2, 3 to the right. I get 1,500 milligrams, so that's definitely greater than 150. This takes a little bit of work. Centimeters to millimeters is just 1 to the right. So I go 1 to the right, and that would be 58 millimeters, and 58 millimeters is less than 580 millimeters. Yep, I would agree with that. Oh, and then I get a different. So meter, liter, gram. Notice I have to keep writing it. Centa, milla, deca, hecto, kilo. Okay, meters to centimeters. 1, 2 to the right. So 1, 2 would be 490. That would be equals. Yep. Okay, liters to milliliters. So liters 1, 2, 3 to the right. 7.2123 to the right would be 7,200 milliliters is equal again. Yep. Kilograms to, ooh, they're making us go the whole way. Check this out. Kilograms over here to milligrams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. So 8.3, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is greater than. Works. Example number 4, standardized test practice. It says, dividing with decimals. In 1979, Chef Franz Eichener made a submarine sandwich that was 322.5 meters long. Suppose the sandwich was cut into pieces that each measure 25.8 centimeters. How many pieces would there be? So they tell us it's 322.5 meters, but they cut it into 25.8 centimeters. So I'm going to change meters to centimeters. Every meter has 100 centimeters in it, so I would take that times 100. So I move it over 2 places, 3,250, and about 25, we'll say 25, 26. 26 goes in there once, which is 26. I get 6, bring down the 2. 25 goes into 62 about twice, which is about 52. 10, bring down the 5. It goes in there about 4 times, and then that other 0, I'm going to say C. I don't have to do the whole thing. Let's see about what that came out to be. Hopefully I'm right. Ooh, I don't know if I'm right. Well, it is. Look at that. Whew. 1250, the pressure was on. Suppose the sandwich cut into pieces that measured 37.5 centimeters. How many pieces would there be? Well, if we back up, we knew there was 3,225 centimeters total. Wait, 3,250 centimeters total, and there's 37.5. So we go over, and up when we're dealing with decimals. 375 doesn't go into 302. 375 times 4. No, it's going to be more than that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try 8. That'd be 0. Carry the 4. That'd be 56, 75, 60. Carry the 6. 24 plus 6 is 3,000. So it'd be about 6, which is 3,000. 225, bring down the 0, it'd be 375 times 8. So, you know what, I would get a calculator on that. I don't like to divide. 860. I wasn't even on the right. Oh, that was supposed to be an 8. Eesh, don't follow me. It's getting late. Alright, that's it for metric measurements, and you're changing them, moving the decimal to the right place. And that's it for 2.7. See ya.